Tell me where you live.
I live in Moorhead, Minnesota.
And on September 8th of this year, you parked your relatively new car that, according to you, you got a week before.
No, Your Honor.
I had just purchased a Sequoia a week before.
No, actually, it's not. It's not the new car. I mean, it's a used car, but I purchased it maybe a year before that, not exactly a week.
Okay, so it's not a new car and you didn't purchase it a week before?
No.
But you parked it in front of your house. Do you have a photograph of the car?
I do.
I'd like to see it. And it is your claim that the defendant, Miss Larry, while under some sort of influence of some sort of substance, was driving her car, had an accident, hit your car, and caused it to move 25 feet, and it was damaged.
Yes.
And the damage to the car was the rear bumper.
Yep.
Not yep. Yes is the answer.
Yes.
Yes is the answer. Okay. Miss Larry, what time did you have your accident?
9 or 10 a.m.
On the 8th?
Yes.
Where were you coming from?
The grocery store.
Where were you going?
Home.
What kind of drugs had you taken?
I was taking Benadryl, prescription medication. That's all I had. That's what I took. And
Can I see the police report? You remember hitting his car?
no.
You remember the police coming to where your car stopped?
No, I don't remember the police coming.
What, did the police come?
They did, yes.
And you don't remember that?
I don't remember that.
Were you taken to a hospital?
I was.
You have the discharge notes from the hospital?
I do.
I'd like to see it. What kind of narcotics were found inside the vehicle?
It's alleged that it was a...
No, it's not alleged. This is a police report. I'm asking you. What kind of narcotics were found in your car?
They said that they found a round blue pill that had an M30 on it. That's what it stated.
Sarah, do me a favor. Look up under illegal drugs, M30.
So M30s imitate oxycodone obtained from a pharmacy, but when sold on the streets, the pills routinely contain fentanyl.
Look up this name, Percocet. You smoke Percocet? How do you smoke Percocet? That's the only thing you remembered. You didn't remember the accident. Patient remembers smoking Percocet pill just prior to allegedly passing out and crashing her vehicle. That's what they say from your doctor.
Yeah, that's what they're saying.
That's what they're saying. The history is provided by the patient. The history is limited by condition of the patient. History is limited because the patient does not remember the actual automobile accident. Remembers smoking Percocet pill just prior to allegedly passing out and crashing her vehicle. You think the doctor made that up? And they just so happen to have found this blue pill in your console in your car?
That's what they are saying.
Okay. You actually know you could have killed yourself. Yeah. Okay. And you don't remember anything about it because that's what you told them. You don't remember anything about anything after you smoked the little blue pill, which is what they said. So your car was moved. That's the damage to your car.
Yeah.
So can I see the estimate for the damage, please?
I think...
You gave it to me?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Have you had the car fixed?
Just a back tail light that I had to put it on. I was trying to fix it, but don't have any money to do it.
Sarah, look up, please, would you?
I'm looking it up right now.
Oh, great. Thank you. Oh, it's a 21-year-old car. It's got 226,000 miles on it. How much did you pay for it, sir?
I paid 10.
We're not going to spend 7 to fix it.
But that's how much it costs.
You find somebody to do it less.
Well, now I am without a car.
You're not without a car, sir. You put on the tail light so that you could drive it. This car is not drivable.
That car was dragged. That back axle, it shakes. I can drive
Between
it.
2 and 5,000.
Between 2 and 5,000. You paid too much for the car, sir. You don't understand something, sir. Even though she was high on drugs and passed out in her car and you were not at fault, it's not windfall day. If you can buy the car for $2,000, buy an old 22-year-old car for $2,000. She's not paying you $7,000 to fix a $2,000 car. That's ridiculous. And I'm not stupid. Do we understand each other? Now, between
2,500 and 5,000 based off of a 250,000 mile 2002 Toyota.
So you have to find somebody who's going to fix your car for $3,000, sir. That's $1,000 more than you can buy it for. We're done here. Judgment for the plaintiff.
I knew this guy was acting fishy when he was arguing that he didn't say that he bought the car a week ago, but he bought it a year ago. A year and a week, there is a very big difference between the two. Not easy to make a mistake with that. Second, the value of the car. Like, either he paid too much or he's lying. To come and ask for $10,000 on a car that you probably didn't spend. Not on an old car that has so many miles racked up on it. It's not like a classic car or anything. So it really just seemed like he came in to take advantage of the situation, take advantage of the court. You know, Judy called it windfall day. Definitely got that vibe even before she said that. And it's really sad when people seemingly come into these situations thinking that they're just going to make a bunch of money and how much can I make? We watch so many cases where the events in them are personal. And so the motivations are personal. tends to go beyond money, even though you're in court for money. But in this guy's case, his motivation is purely the money, especially against a defendant who seems to have a history of substance abuse. Now, who knows whether or not she took what, smoked what, before the accident. She seems to be somebody who needs help. Hopefully she got it, and she's being dragged into court. She doesn't remember anything about what happened. It's just really sad. But it also sounds like that she took more than Benadryl. As someone who's taken a lot of Benadryl in my time for allergies, you can at times feel pretty groggy. I've never taken Benadryl and then blacked out while driving a car. But I also probably wouldn't drive a car if I took a Benadryl. Pretty dangerous situation, but I definitely see her as the victim in this one. She was dragged to court, taken advantage of by somebody who just wanted to bleed the court dry of money that didn't belong to him. Sorry about your car, but like the judge said, if you spent that much money, just buy a new car. The car isn't worth what you say it is. But what did you think about this case? Have you been in a situation like this before? If you have, I'd love to hear all about it in the comments. Drop me a line,